In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build high-level and low-level boards on Monday.com. Whether you're managing a big project or simply trying to keep your team on the same page, organizing your tasks into structured boards can make a world of difference. So let's jump right into it. First, you want to navigate to the Monday.com platform and start by selecting the New Board option. This feature allows you to create a fresh board where you can customize everything according to your project's needs. It's important to lay a strong foundation for your board, so think of it as setting up the framework for all the tasks and milestones you'll be tracking. Once you have your new board ready, let's model it after something functional, like a marketing summary board. This is just a template, but it helps you visualize how to structure your board effectively. Give it a suitable title that encapsulates the essence of what this board aims to achieve. Naming your board appropriately can help you and your team members quickly identify it among the multiple boards you might be using. Now it's time to organize your board into sections. Click on Add New Group. Groups are fantastic for categorization, allowing you to split tasks into phases or different aspects of your project, such as ongoing projects and completed tasks. This method helps in maintaining clarity while enabling easy navigation and tracking of specific tasks. To make your board even more functional, it's vital to incorporate various columns. Columns serve as the data points for your tasks. Consider using columns like project name, owner, status, start and due dates, and budget progress.